let's take a closer look at one of these 24 Rams that I got for nothing, basically, compared to what they are brand new. And these trucks are still brand new. Starting off with the key fob. Of course, you got unlock, lock, and you do have remote start, but we can also open the tailgate from here. It's not gonna do the remote start because it's low on fuel right now, but you do have that option available. I'll show you that it has the message on the screen, so you don't think that it's broken. It's a brand, I mean, come on, dude. It's a brand new truck. We still got the tag on the exhaust. Hasn't even been driven long enough to burn that off yet. We got the sensors all the way around here, 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 and here, as well as up front, here, here, those two spots, and of course on the side as well. Wow. Let's see if it didn't have the message still. I'd waited too long. As you can see, it does work, but it's going to cut off here in a second because it's low on fuel. There she goes. But anyways, let's step inside, take a closer look. All right, so let's take a closer look on the inside. Obviously, you got your controls for your dash right here with adaptive cruise control. You got the gear limiter, so that way you can tow and control the truck a little bit better while you tow. Of course, we got 4-wheel drive with the trailer brake system. You can turn the gain up and down as necessary. You do have a regen button. Full exhaust brake on. Sorry, that's an exhaust brake button. And then you've got tow haul mode, as well as being able to turn your front sensors on and off. Over here, we've got quite a few different controls. This one here in the top right, it's got two little arrows in it. Let's see, right here, you hit that when it's lit up. You hit the out button here, and you can put your tow mirrors out. And if you hit this button here, you'll pull your tow mirrors in, and then you just turn that off and you're good to go. And then of course you select your mirror, change the angle, and then this button in the middle, this button in the middle here is going to fold your power mirrors in. That way you can get in those tighter spots, because this is a huge truck. We've got automatic lights with cargo light option here. Let's see, with your fog light button there. This is a full telescoping, should be full telescoping. Let's hold that here, it'll stay. It'll stay. So you got nope, maybe not telescoping, but it is fully adjustable other than moving it out and in. You got the classic gear selector for a truck. That's perfect. Coming up here, we can open our back glass, and it's automatic. No? Okay, it's not automatic. You've got an assist and an SOS button. You can turn your lights off when the doors are open. You can turn your cab lights on. Oop, I hit the SOS button. Turn those off. I can open the tailgate from here. as you can see. To make it a little easier when you do have a fifth wheel, this one isn't ready for a fifth wheel yet, but that is an easy thing to do. We do have a 110 outlet back here for those big jobs when you don't have a generator, or bringing a generator isn't the best option. Coming inside the rear, we do have 4 charging ports and another 110 outlet with AC vents, of course. And then underneath the seat, we have this awesome little feature here where we can fold these out. Fold those out and you've got a nice level area in the back for storage, what have you. And jump it back in because it's hot out. You can see backup camera, I forgot to put the tailgate up. Let's fix that. Right. Okay, now show you the backup camera. Boom, look at that. Beautiful, clear vision. And with those parking sensors, even for a fence, it's hard to see. You'll know when you're close by that. And then again, the parking sensors, we have them up front, so I can demonstrate those really quickly. We'll pull up close to this car here, and you'll see. Oh, did I turn them on? Oh, we just got to get a lot closer because it looks bigger, but you can see that sensor starting to go off there. Back again. But I mean, guys, come on, look. This truck has 21 miles on it, essentially. She's ready to go. These trucks are so cheap compared to a brand new truck, but it's still a brand new truck. I mean, it's not, it had plastic on it when it got here, guys. So come check them out. Oh, look, found another charger. Come check them out. Talk to me about them. I'll give you the best deal there is. Because we market price our vehicles, we go out in a 700-mile radius and make sure that our price is the best or the second best. So there's that for you. You're going to get the best deal. Then secondly, I'm non-commissioned, so I don't have to worry about whether or not I can sell you on a higher price, and you don't have to worry about getting a bad deal because I'm trying to feed my family. So that non-commission takes a whole lot of stress off of both of us for the whole deal. And yeah, so just come see me, like, comment, follow, subscribe, message me, all the things. I love you guys. Thank you for watching.